Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone will be fine and doing well. Dear students, today the date is 14/6/2021. This is your English class. This is the fifth video of the month of June. Dear students, this is class 7 and today we are going to discuss unit number 3 on page number 14 in your books. Okay boys, now open your books and come to page number 14 in your books. Okay boys, look to page number 14. Page number 14 in your books. This is unit number 3, comprehension. And the name of the unit is Koalas Not Bears. Dear students, if you remember that in previous lecture we discussed the first two paragraph of this unit in very detail, and I hope you guys understood well. Now this is the time that we are going to discuss the facts of this unit. Now look here. Fantastic facts about the furry fuzzballs. Fantastic facts about the furry fuzzballs. What does it mean furry? Furry mean hairy. Hairy, the hairy part of animal's body, especially above of the skin. They have hair on the whole body. This is called what? Furry. And what does it mean fuzzballs? Fuzz mean, the meaning of fuzz is what? A small animal with fur. Okay, a small animal with fur. Okay, look like this. As I told you, the meaning of furry mean hairy. So also the fur mean hairy, the hairy part of animal's body, especially like baby. When the baby born, it has what? Fur on their body. Now look here. Look here. The first one. There are about 100,000 koalas in Australia. How much? 100,000. It shows that it is a very large number of koalas in the country of Australia. Number 2. Koalas have thick grey fur that protects them from heat. They have large furry ears and leathery noses. The fur on their bottoms is extra thick so that they can rest comfortably in trees. Okay. Now next, koalas spend up to 18 hours a day napping. Okay. How much? 18 hours. And what does it mean napping? Napping mean sleeping lightly or take a short rest. Okay boys. It is the meaning of napping. Now come for number 4. Koalas can live for about 10 to 12 years. 10 to 12 years. This is the duration of the life of what? Of koalas. 10 to 12 years. Number 5th. People used to think that koalas smelt like cough drops because they eat eucalyptus leaves, but it isn't true. Okay. Most of the people thinks that they smell like what? Cough drops because they eat eucalyptus leaves, but it is not true. And the last one, koalas are endangered because so many eucalyptus trees are being cut down for wood. Okay boys, so this was all about unit number 3. Now this is the time that we are going to move to next topic, and this is related to your copy work. Okay boys, now we are going to discuss the title page for unit number 3. Unit number 3. Okay boys, now look here. This is the title page of unit number 3. Boys, first of all, look to the presentation of this page. Like this kind of page you are going to make in your copies. Look here. Look here. Now first look to the date on the top of the page. After that, look to the lines, margin lines. Okay. At the end, when the topic is finished, so I have ending line here. Now I am going to discuss title page in detail. Look here. On this side I have written unit number 3, the number of unit. On this side the page number 14. In the middle I have mentioned the name of the unit, koalas not bears, with the markers. Okay boys, you have to write this title name with the marker. Now after that I have written words meanings, and we have five words. Word sentences, we have 5 words. Comprehension passage, we have only one comprehension passage in this unit. After that, these 4 are related to what? Your book exercises. Now look here, the first we have activities. Exercise B, page number 15 on book. Okay, next grammar, exercise A plus C, page number 16 on book. This is also on book. Now next word study, exercise B plus C plus E, page number 18 on book. And the last one, checkup, exercise A plus B plus C, page number 19 on book. And after that, at the end, I have what? Ending line. So boys, you have to prepare your title page like this, okay, in your copies, and write neat and clean, and do your presentation well. Especially focus on your writing, and after that your presentation, and also underlines, okay, the different parts and the different headings of the title page. Now boys, after title page we are going to discuss words meaning, because look here, what's the first topic? Words meanings. So now we are going to discuss the words meaning of this unit. Okay boys, words meaning of this unit. So this is the page of words meaning of unit number 3. Okay boys, now look here, and first of all look the whole page, because I want to show the presentation, and I also want to show you that how you are going to write and prepare your page. Okay, you have to focus on your presentation. Draw the margin lines, write down date on the top of the page, also mention the page number. Okay, write word meaning in capital letters, also draw a line in the center of the page. Okay boys, for words meaning. Now look here, we are going to start the first word of this unit. The first word is blind, blind, blind. According to grammar, it is adjective and also noun. What does it mean? Blind, sightless or unable to see. A person who is unable to see, that is called what? Blind. Now move to next one, menu, menu, menu. And menu is what? Noun. According to grammar, it is noun. What does it mean? Menu mean list of commands or option. List of commands or option. In menu you have different option. You have to choose anyone if you want. Menu, you know very well about menu. For example, when you visit to a restaurant or somewhere else for food or something else, they have, especially in a restaurant or in a ice cream shop, they have menu cards. And menu card, there are different options for you guys. You have to choose whether you are eating, for example, you want to eat a pizza, you want to eat a burger, anything. So on menu card they have mentioned what foods and also their price. So this kind of cards are called what? Menu. Now move to the third one, danger, 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 and it is what? Noun. Mean peril or hazard, peril or hazard. And danger, you know, mean khatra. Okay, in Urdu we can say khatra. Number 4, climber. Number 4, climber, and it is noun. What does it mean? A person or animal that climbs. A person or animal that can climb, that is called what? Climber. And the spelling of climber is what? climber, climber. Now move to the last one, napping, 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 and it is what? Verb. The meaning of napping is sleeping lightly or sleeping short. This is the meaning of what? Napping, sleeping lightly. Most of the people they take rest at the afternoons and take a short rest. This is called what? Napping. Okay boys, this was all about words meaning, and I hope you guys understood well about words meaning of unit number 3. Dear students, in today lecture, first we discussed the facts of unit number 3. After that, we discussed the title page of unit number 3, that how you people are going to make the title page for unit number 3. At the end, we discussed the words meaning of unit number 3. I hope you guys understood well, and especially focus on your writing and presentation. Okay, make it perfect. Okay boys, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.